Now navigate to the sales screen by clicking on the sales button in the left menu. Okay, so this is the sales screen of the point of sale system. Take a moment to look at the screen before we begin. This is where you record customer sales and collect payment. On the right side, click the customer drop-down and select the customer you are selling to. Once you select a customer, the credit limit box shows the maximum they are allowed to owe. The balance box shows how much this customer currently owes. If the balance box turns red, the customer has gone over their credit limit. The sale is recorded for today by default. To record a past sale, tick Enable Date and type the date in the Sale Date field. The Add VAT checkbox submits the invoice to FIRS, the government e-invoice system. Only click Add VAT when the sale must be officially reported to the government. The QTY label in the product form is a link. Click it to open the Stock Switch tool. Use the Stock Switch tool to move quantities between batches if you need to correct the stock source. To add a product, click the Product Code field and start typing the product name. Matching products appear as you type. Click the one you want from the list. A window called Select a Batch opens showing the available stocks for that product. Each batch shows the stock number, batch number, expiry date, and available quantity. Click a batch row to select it and the price per unit fills in automatically. The price can be retail, wholesale, manual for the products depending on the price assigned to this customer from the customer management screen. Enter how many units to sell in the QTY, also known as quantity field. The promo field next to quantity is for entering free promotional units alongside the sale. For created products, an empty type section appears below the product form. Choose exchange if the customer is returning empties right now, or deposit if they will return them later. If you choose deposit, enter the empty quantity and the empty amount calculates automatically. Click the Add button to add the product to the order. The product appears in the cart on the left showing the product name with code, price, quantity, promo and amount. Top row is for empties quantity display for the order. Edit the quantity or promo directly in the cart, or click the trash icon to remove a product. VAT is automatically calculated if Add VAT checkbox is checked. This is the amount which will be pushed to FIRS. Total is the amount which customer have to pay. Assign driver dropdown. You can select driver if this order is required delivery for this customer. When all products are added, click the Confirm button to open the invoice summary. The invoice summary shows the net total and has separate fields for cash, transfer, and POS payment. Enter the amounts received and the change value calculates automatically. Click Confirm Sales to save the sale, or Confirm Sales and Print to also print a receipt. To save as a booking instead of completing the sale now, click Book Order in the invoice summary. Once clicked, the screen will show the success message with the order number and the whole screen will reset to add a new order. Or you can use the Add New button to clear the current order and start a fresh sale. To find a saved order, type the order number in the order offline hash field and click the search icon. When an order is loaded, the Void Order button appears. Use it to cancel a sale that was already saved. The Empty Return button lets you record bottles a customer is bringing back from a previous sale. Enter the empties and click Save. That will return the empties to the stock and balance will be cleared.